What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at Vivid Creative Aquatics Never Rust Tweezers. Okay, so right out of the gate, the tweezers are 11 inches and they're made out of petg plastic, so they're 100% reef safe. They're never gonna rust because, hey, they're plastic. Now it also has some nice grip pads here that you can pop off and replace. So that's pretty cool. If you need new little grip pads, you just pop them right off and pop new ones right in. So it works just like that. Very simple, and they're pretty durable. I mean, I can sit here and squeeze these together and they're not looking like they're gonna break or anything. So the flex is really nice on these. Nice and sturdy, great design all the way around. So let's take it to the tank and see how it does holding up frags. So I have some frag plugs that got knocked over by various snails and stuff like that, but you can see you can get in here real easy and grab a frag plug, move it out of the way. Pretty much use these for a variety of things in your reef tank, moving stuff out of the way, picking things up. You can see here I picked up a frag plug and tried to straighten it and push it down into the sand bed so that it's not on its side, but it works really well, and you can see that you can pinch together as long as you're applying enough pressure to hold the frag plug. It's going to hold it just fine, especially with those grip pads. Now the tweezers currently come in two different colors. They come in yellow and orange, and they are UV reactive, so they give off a nice glow whenever they're underneath your actinic lights sitting on top of your reef tank or next to your reef tank. They glow, which is pretty cool. It looks pretty awesome. Now another thing that I really like about the tweezers is that they're designed to be buoyant. No longer are you knocking them off the edge of your tank and your tweezers are sinking down to the bottom into your sand bed. Maybe they hit the bottom and fall over onto a coral or land in a hammer coral. I've had that happen before. So no longer is that going to happen because these are designed to float. So as I mentioned, the tweezers measure 11 inches and they have about an 8.5 inch reach, and that's if you're not sticking your arm into your tank to reach down to the bottom, which is perfectly fine. You can do that if you want to use them that way, but they have the grips that we talked about very briefly. Now these work really well when you're trying to grip a frag plug or you're moving a piece of rock rubble or picking anything up and moving it around in your tank. The nice little grip here really helps you hold that in place as you grip it with the tweezers. Okay, so let me pause right there for just a moment. I want to do a giveaway. If you would like to win a VCA 11-inch Never Rust tweezers, the orange pair right here, I'm going to be giving away. Now I'm going to try to get these out to you before Christmas and the holiday season this year, so this is what we're going to do. If you'd like to win, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you are subscribed to the Coral Reef Talk to be entered, and also go over to Instagram and go to Vivid Creative Aquatics Instagram page and follow them over there. They're always posting awesome content and showing new products and stuff like that. So if you want to stay up to date with Vivid Creative Aquatics and find out what kind of new products that they're going to be releasing, that's one of the best ways to do that, is follow them on Instagram. I know that they set up an awesome tank in their offices and it's looking really cool, and you can see all the videos and pictures of that over there. But if you'd like to win an 11-inch Never Rust tweezer, this orange one right here, be subscribed to the Coral Reef Talk. Comment down in the comment section that you would like to win one of these, and go to Vivid Creative Aquatics Instagram page. Link will be in the description. I'll leave a link to their YouTube as well, but follow Vivid Creative Aquatics so that you know what's going on. Show your support, and I will pick a winner before December 15th so that way we can get it in the mail and out to you hopefully before Christmas. So it'll be a nice little Christmas gift or holiday gift for that reefer in your life, or for you. If you want to win this and you have a reef tank, go for it. That's what it's made for. So make sure you do all that, and good luck to you. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to win these tweezers, then subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and follow Vivid Creative Aquatics over on Instagram. And don't forget about the Coral Care Quick Tip series that posts every Friday at noon Eastern time. So be sure that you're tuned in for that because you don't want to miss an episode. We have some great guests lined up for the Coral Care Quick Tips, and I'm excited to get their episodes out to you. So every Friday at noon. And also one more thing before I go, if you're looking for some great corals to pick up for your tank or that reef hobbyist in your life, then head on over to reeftide.com and you can save 15% off your order using the code TheCoralReefTalk15. So the TheCoralReefTalk15 will save you 15% off your entire order. So that's a cool deal over there. So some great products from Vivid Creative Aquatics. Pick up some awesome coral frags at Reef Tide, and remember to watch the Coral Care Quick Tip series. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you now. So thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.